It was a mass fentanyl overdose in Kalamazoo in 2023 that also served as a tragic example of how deadly and dangerous fentanyl can be. A drug dealer sold fentanyl disguised as cocaine. It caused multiple hospital admissions and at least 8 deaths in and around Kalamazoo in April of 2023. Those events forced law enforcement to adopt new tactics in an effort to turn the tide.
We had the mass poisoning incident here in Kalamazoo, and we had a lot of death, a lot of overdoses, and that was all people thought they were taking or using cocaine, when in fact it had fentanyl in it.
Law enforcement officials say what Kalamazoo experienced in April of 2023 is a snapshot of the crisis that many still confront across America today. Multiple overdoses, including 8 deaths, all driven by fentanyl, and users who often have no idea they're consuming a deadly poison.
The source of supply could be Chicago, it could be Detroit, it could be Grand Rapids. We just don't know. The common thread is if there is a demand, then there's going to be a supply.
Fentanyl remains among the deadliest drugs on the street. Just a few grains can be enough to kill an adult, and it's not always easy to spot. Fentanyl is often mixed into other illicit or prescription drugs. Users often don't know what they've taken until it's too late. Cheap, easy to turn, and profitable, it seems to be everywhere. In 2024, the Kalamazoo Valley Enforcement Team seized 2.5 pounds of fentanyl and more than 10,000 fentanyl pills.
What we have been doing over the last, I'm going to say year and a half, is we've been publicizing some of those victories, right? And I think the public is seeing the work that we're doing, and I think that the criminals are also seeing that the work they're doing.
The tide may be turning in Kalamazoo. Arrests are up, and some intervention efforts are taking root. The number of tragic events like what happened in 23 are coming down, but officials know that they'll never prosecute their way out of this crisis, and the next wave may be just around the corner.
Will the cartels come up with something new? Will China come up with something new? I'm sure they will.
In the wake of the overdose deaths, 2 men pleaded guilty to distributing fentanyl in connection with the 8 who died in Kalamazoo County in 2023. Tomorrow, News 8 goes deeper into fentanyl's deadly grip on West Michigan communities. Our special Lethal Dose airs at 7 right here on Wood TV. You can also watch it online at woodtv.com.